Want to know how to add proxies in the AdsPower browser? I'll show you how. First, get your Decodo proxy details. You can use any proxy type, but today I'll use residential proxies. Head to the Decodo dashboard and in the left side menu, choose Residential. If you don't have any users, select Create User, enter your desired username and hit Add. The password will be generated for you. Next, choose your proxy user, location, session type, and proxy protocol. Below you'll find the generated endpoints. Copy them. Now you can add proxies in two ways: directly to a browser profile or as a proxy list. Let's start with the browser profile method. Open AdsPower and click on New Profile. Name your browser profile and scroll to the proxy section. Make sure the proxy toggle is set to custom. From the proxy type dropdown, choose your preferred protocol. Then type the endpoint and the port of the proxy in the respective fields. Paste your proxy username and password. Now set up the rest of the browser parameters. When you're done, press OK to save your profile. To test your setup, head to the Profile Management page and click Open. If your proxies are working, you'll see your proxy details with a new IP address. Next, let's learn how to add proxies as a list. On the main page, click on Proxies, then Add Proxy. On the List tab, specify your proxy protocol. Then, in the text field below, paste proxy details from the Decodo dashboard. If you want to enter multiple proxies at the same time, on the Decodo dashboard, you can adjust the number of endpoints. Click on the export icon and copy. Then, paste the entire list into the text box. Alternatively, copy the endpoints one by one and add each to a new line. Click OK to save. To use these proxies, create a new browser profile and name it. In the proxy section, switch the toggle to Saved Proxies, and choose your preferred proxy from the dropdown. To test your setup, save the profile. Head to the Profile Management page and click Open. If your proxies are working, you'll see your proxy details with a new IP address. That's all you need to know to set up proxies with AdsPower. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get residential proxies with the link in the description. For more proxy setup guides, visit the Decodo YouTube channel and documentation.